First I'm starting with a primer. It helps the makeup to stay in a place, especially in this heat. I'm using a lightweight hydration one. Next I'm using a stroke cream for that natural glow from within the look. These just make your skin look super healthy and radiant under a foundation. Now going with a lightweight foundation. I'm not doing anything full coverage, just enough to even out my skin tone. Blend it with a brush, and you can also blend with a sponge for that natural finish. And now a little concealer under the eye, around my eyes and any spot. Just blend it generally with a brush or with a damp sponge for that natural finish. And I'm using finger to blend it for a natural finish. For eyes, I'm using this pink shade. Just blend it well. And applying this peach shimmer shade over my lids and inner corner of my eye. So now I'm applying a blush over my cheeks, nose for that sun-kissed effect, and just blending with a brush. And finishing off with a nude pink lipstick. And now I'm applying a red orangish shade for that ombre and coral effect, and you can also use a lip tint for that lighter shade. And I always forgot to apply a mascara.